I am from Aditi Infotech. We will be mostly speaking on databases, relational databases, all type of relational databases. But today, I am thinking to speak on delete and truncate. The thing is, recently when I asked this question to experienced people as well, they're telling one, two differences. There are lots of differences. Let me give up some of the differences so that you can present it in a better manner in the interviews. So let us see that. Let us assume the data is like this. This is your let us consider this is a chain of blocks or a combination of blocks in which there are 8 blocks of EMP related things. So what happens when I do delete? What happens when I do truncate? We'll try to understand this particular concept. So the major difference between delete and this is delete is simply a DML command, whereas your truncate is a data definition language command. Sorry, so data definition language. So what is the, so obviously when it is a DML operation will definitely expect a commit. So here you can simply say commit is required. Commit is required. So here you can simply say commit is not required. Is not required. Whatever. Ignore the spellings. So now this here, as the commit is required here, you can either do a TCL with commit or you can even do a TCL with rollback. So you can do rollback. Rollback is possible. So you can restore the data. Whereas here, rollback is not possible. No, this is not possible. This is what I mean to say here. Now, coming to the delete, let us say your employee table is having employee number 10 records, employee number 20 records, as well as employee number 30 records. So now the scenario is like this, all the 10 records has to be deleted. So I am not going to delete entire data in the table. Instead, I am deleting a portion of data that you can do using delete. So portion of data can be deleted. Clear about this, right? Can be deleted. But when it comes to truncate, no. When you truncate a table, all the data in that particular thing is gone. So portion of data and only entire data deletion is possible. Clear about it. So how are you going to delete the portion of data here? It is simply by using where condition, right? So just, yeah. So the most important and the most best thing about delete, or the biggest difference about the delete and truncate is when you are deleting, when you are trying to delete the data using delete command, so it is not actually deleting the data. It's not actually deleting the data. Instead, it is marked as deleted. Even let us say this is also marked as deleted. So internally the data is deleted like this. Internally the data is deleted logically. Now when you say select star from EMP, you will not get the data. You will get 0 records because you have deleted and committed the data. But when you go and check in the DBA underscore segments for the size of employee table, you will still see that there is size occupied. 8 blocks are occupied by the EMP data. That is because logically deleted, but physically not deleted. So not cleared, you can say. But when it comes to truncate, so truncate is going to clear your physical segments as well. Are also cleared. So how it looks after that? So this is just marked as deleted, but when it comes to this one, it is actually deleted. So this is how you are. So this is before delete. This is after delete. This is before truncate, and this can be after truncate. So if it is a huge table, some of the extents will be deallocated here in this particular case. But still, so to summarize the thing, this is a DML operation. Every DML operation requires a TCL followed by it. It can be a commit or rollback. A truncate cannot be rolled back, but that is because it's a DDL. There is a commit issued for every DDL. It's not a commit, two commits. So whenever you are firing a DDL, two commits are issued. One is before the execution, one is after the execution. Yeah, most of the people might think this is wrong statement, but that's the right statement. Let us say you are giving truncate. Let us say, sorry. So what happens when you give any DDL? Let it be create, alter, whatever, drop. So first a commit happens. First a commit happens, then your DDL happens, and then another commit happens. This is the important thing you have to understand. If you want, you can check. This is the thing. So yeah, portion of data deletion is possible, but portion of data truncate is not possible. And the most important thing, logical delete, logically deleted here when you do it using delete command, whereas physically it is still existing and your data files are not having the extra empty space even after you delete entire data. So when it comes to truncate, when you do a truncate table name, your data files will be released with few extra free blocks. So which is faster? Obviously truncate is faster, because this is not going to consider your triggers, constraints, nothing. Simply go and truncate it and come back. So yeah, this is something which can be done for the independent tables. When you have tables which are having some entity relationships, don't go with truncate. And to save the time, yes, definitely you can go with this. Yeah, delete is obviously a slow thing, but still it all depends upon the scenario. See, if one of them is good and one of them is bad, Oracle Corporation would have, or whatever, ANSI SQL would have not given two different comments, right? Both has its own pros as well as cons, even that applies to delete as well as truncate. Yeah, this is about the differences between delete and truncate. If you know a few more differences with respect to these things, or if you want to see the same concept practically, please comment in the comment box so that I can help you with this practical examples as well. Thank you. On-demand topics, you can comment there so that I will try to record those videos and I will try to publish it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching this. Bye.